6 News is here for your health, and flu cases are peaking for a second time this season. The surge has even led to some school closures across the country. Michael George has more on how to keep your family safe this winter.
Flu cases continue to spread around the country. Elizabeth McGuire's 7th grader is one of them.
I could see the waiting room was completely full when I went in there.
Earlier this week, Bullitt County, Kentucky schools had such a high number of student and staff illnesses, they closed for 3 days so crews could sanitize and deep clean the buildings.
I thought it was a great call on their end. All we can do is keep kids from getting sick, is to definitely keep their hands clean, and when they're sick, they need to stay away, stay at home.
At least 41 states are reporting high or very high levels of flu, and ER visits for the virus have increased nearly 30% compared to the week before. 250,000 hospitalizations are reported to date, and more than 11,000 deaths.
These cases are staggering, but they're not unlike numbers we saw pre-pandemic. We got a little bit spoiled after the pandemic because of precautions that people were taking, and what that resulted in is a little bit of an immunity gap, where society as a whole is less immune, we have slightly lower vaccination rates, and so our defenses are slightly down.
Dr. Rabia De La Torre with NYU Langone Health reminds us that antiviral medications are available, which when given within 1 to 2 days of symptoms can shorten the duration of illness.
We tend to recommend it for people who are high risk, immunocompromised, very young children, pregnant women, people who have severe comorbidities like heart disease or diabetes.
And even in February, doctors say as long as the flu virus is circulating, anyone who's eligible should get vaccinated if they haven't already. Michael George, CBS News, New York.